it's just easier doing that.
Oh.
Should we hit the stairs with these?
What?
Should we hit the stairs?
Just push it down. Stand move.
Oh shit. Dude, I wonder if that lady called front desk. I wasn't like messed up, right?
Nah, bro.
Because recently when I had a counter, she pissed me off.
Alright, bro. Tell everybody what's the move, bro. What's happening right now?
We just checked out of the hotel. A little late. Woke up a little late. We're gonna go check in a different hotel that's cheaper. This one went up to 79. It was at 49. We're trying to find one that's 49. We're gonna go to the zoo. We're gonna get some jump shots. We're gonna do some skating today. Hopefully when it gets freaking cooler. It's hot right now. Baby girl was like, yo, what kind of suffering are you shooting? She just had pornos.
Wait,
The lady in the front. She just yeah.
super sick. What is this? Sponsored again?
Thank
Marriott.
you. Free room.
If you
Should I put the windows up then?
focus. Huh?
Should I put the windows up?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Trust, bro.
Dude, we should do something where we leave the windows open, like in the middle, like where there's a lot of people, and see if anybody goes in.
Why are you wearing those glasses wrong, bro?
Huh? Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, she said that the lights are. Oops, shit. The lights are. Those are the escapers. 512. So to your left. Ooh, it's gonna be that corner one to your left.
Which one?
Your left, keep going. The corner one.
What number is it?
512.
Right there.
Oh, it is. Eric, why you gotta trick us like that, bro? Hype us up and shit.
This one's insert now. Not high tech.
Ooh. Hey, it's where all the magic happens. Have a view. Oh shit. Oh no, I guess we just I guess we're just looking at look at that peak over there. Oh, photo shoot over there. Drone shot.
Avengers?
Avenger. Kmart. That's pretty much it. Nothing too hype. It's just a regular room. These windows open. Oh, I guess they don't open all the way. You see the safety lock. Finally see a nice car out here though. Shout out to Arizona.
Which one?
The BMW. Oh, this is staying. The staying. Convertible staying. But yeah, this is chill as fuck. Look at the bathroom. This big ass. Look at this. Closet. Dude, when I'm wearing these glasses like that, it feels like it's normal. Oh wait, I'm doing it normal.
Yeah.
My bad.
Oh, there you go, bro.
Oh, my bad.
It's all good, bro.
All right, let's settle down. Let's go to the pool.
What, bro?
We're gonna go to the pool section. Shit. Oh.
All right, let's get it. Do you think it's gonna be packed?
I hope so. I hope there's bitches. I hope there's females. My bad.
Yeah. Keep it G-rated, bro.
My bad.
You know, for little kids.
My bad. My bad, little kids. This is a JBL. JBL sounds like a nice name.
For what?
It's JBL.
Yeah. Are you asking if it's JBL?
Yeah.
It's JBL, bro.
No, this is Did it
What?
connect to your phone?
I don't know. Dang. Wait, what floor is it at?
Oh shit, what the fuck?
The fuck? We didn't even move.
I'm trying to move. Dude. I guess you're putting the music.
Let's pull up with some fire.
Oh, dude. Wait, what? Oh, this one. Dude, this is where I should have put it, right?
Yo, what hella be? It's gonna be hella packed. That pool better not be small though. That's the real thing.
Oh, is that the whole thing right there?
There you go, Scout.
Dude, you should bring your javelin.
Really?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
In a bit. No way, workout room? Should we work out right now? Let's go. Say no more. Should we get a workout
the
session?
stadium's right there.
You got your card right?
Yeah.
Alright. What'd you say?
The stadium's right there, bruh.
This view.
Oh, that pool is small as fuck.
I know, bro. So there's a
We
stadium.
should go outside though. After you get that quick view.
Oh, there's a bigger pool over there. But
Where?
that's... I don't know if we can get there. I'm right there. You see it?
Oh shit, yeah, that's the ASU pool, I guess.
Oh.
That shit's crazy, bruh.
So what's good? What's good? You trying to swim then work out, or work out then swim?
Swim, then work out there.
Dude, that's the pool?
Yeah,
What
unfortunately.
the fuck? No, gosh. What happened?
Is that you?
Dude, my phone's lagging fast.
Your phone's what?
Lagging. Yo, that's a pool?
Yeah.
What kind of bullshit is that? I mean, what kind of BS is that? Should I put...
No, don't put it. There's like kids.
Oh, yeah, huh? I was
Little
gonna...
face, baby. Hey.
Alright, we'll save that for later, bro. We'll save that for later. Alright, let's get it. Dude, it's hot.
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, so what's... Huh?
I can't even see over this dude.
Damn. Gains, bro, gains. Yeah, get it, bro.
Yeah, I'm saying to get your drone so you can go out there.
Yeah, dude. Didn't you say we could get up there? Oh no, bro, but we can get some dope ass footage. We'll save that for later. Alright, bro, let's take a dip. Take a dip. I'm gonna set the camera over here on the table. Right here, let me see.
What are the spots?
What?
See if you like that's like another city.
That's what?
That, another city.
Yeah, we trying to go over there, bro.
You trying
Like, I want to go over there, like, right there. Where's that? You know where we should go?
Where?
That bridge.
What bridge? Oh yeah.
Where is it?
Right there. We can skate there.
Yeah, we'll skate there for sure. We'll skate later. Alright, bro, let's take a dip.
Full face, baby. Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, I wanna see. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. I break that shit, break that, speed it up.
Bro, how do you get on? Yo, Eric.
Yeah.
Views?
Views on views, bro. How far up do you want to go?
Huh?
Okay, how far up do you want to go?
I think we fucked up.
Why?
We forgot water. Ah.
Alright, what are we gonna do right now, bro?
We're gonna go eat.
What time is it right now?
I don't know.
What you got, bro?
No idea.
Got fries, got beans, that with like lettuce, mix, ketchup, and then what, chicken?
This is
Or
chicken wrapped in potato.
And then a taco, and then I got taco, a tostada, and an enchilada.
Low key, I wanted an enchilada, bro.
I'll say hi. What the fuck? Yeah, that kind of low-key scared me. Hot psych.
What?
What?
Did I say?
Yeah, you did, bro.
Levels. I'm ready to go knock out.
Alright, good night, bitch.
Good night, bro.
Wait, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I pop a pill and I lose. Wait, speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up. Got me 2 bitches, I eat it up. They thinking I'm wife and deleting them. Oh wait, ooh, pints in, call up rocket. Ooh, my brother pull like a socket. Ooh, kicking this door, yeah, I got him. Open the safe, you can't lock it. Ooh, sipping that walk, yeah, I go to the top. Bustin' your bitch like a Glock. Ooh, she like to suck on my clock.